Hello everyone, my name is Paul, this is Cindy.
Hi guys.
Our channel's High Seas Paul and Cindy, and we're here today to talk about our COVID test experience and let you know just, basically how easy it was. So I'll let Cindy get in on the technical stuff here.
And at the very end, we'll let you know if we passed or not. So we did fly out 72 hours prior to our cruise.
Correct.
And the CDC said that you have to take a COVID test 48 hours prior to your cruise, so we were able to do it at home. So what I did was buy a couple of these home tests right here. Paul can show them. I'll put a link on there. It's just the Abbott. Make sure it says RX, and make sure it says you have to have some MD person watching you do the test, because those are the ones that work on the cruise ships.
Right. And it was really, really easy, guys.
Yeah.
I was super nervous though. I was literally shaking while I was doing it.
Because we saw a few videos, people dropping them, because we only bought two.
Right.
Which we probably should have bought an extra one just in case one of us messed it up, but we didn't. But
that's our recommendation for sure, is next time we're going to buy an extra one. But we're like really nervous. There's quite a few videos on the process, but honestly guys, it's so simple. They walk you through it.
They do.
Anybody can do it. Just make sure you got a good desk, a good platform where you won't drop anything, stuff like that. The people are super helpful.
And then another thing we did for a backup, we did have appointments at the CVS, which was a PCR test, which takes up to 1 to 2 days. So we did have a backup plan,
right,
in case one of these did not work out for us.
So we were going to do our test at 1 a.m. We tried to go to bed early. We got to St. Pete. We stayed at the Hampton, downtown St. Petersburg, down at the waterfront. We went out to dinner, had some drinks. We were like, okay, we'll go to bed early and we'll get up around 1. We ended up getting up about 3, but immediately we were able to get service. I hear if you go later in the day or early evening, sometimes there's like a 15 to 30 minute wait. So we recommend doing it as soon as you hit the 48 hours. So if you cruise out on a Sunday, you could do it on a Friday. It's just got to be 48 hours, correct?
And like what John Hill said, there's no time stamp. As long as it's 20 or 48 hours or less, you can do the test. So we decided we were going to do it a little earlier, but we slept in a little bit. So we did start around, I think mine was a little after 3, and then his was closer to 4 by the time we finished everything.
Yeah.
So, it was simple, easy. You just you just go to their app, you fill out the little questionnaire, then you go onto your internet, and then they will actually connect you with somebody to help you, walk you through this test. Simple, easy. You just open up the box, you follow the directions, you just open up the kit, put 6 drops in the little hole. We were so tired we didn't film it, but trust us. Right. Paul did it, I did it. It was simple.
Really easy, yeah. And they walk you through it. They're great. And, I was like, because there was no messing up. If I did anything wrong or dropped anything, we were, up a creek. The CVS was about a mile away. We don't have a rental car. So we don't know if we could walk in or if we'd have to take an Uber and maybe take care of him on the side while we wait, or if we were going to have to go rent a car if we mess this up. It was definitely stressful, but we're here to let you know, guys, it's really simple. There's a lot of videos online on YouTube of people doing it. It's so simple, and that's why we felt we didn't really need to do a video. We're just here to let you know that, it's just super easy. We're here in Florida now. We can enjoy our vacation.
Yeah, so that's why we did it last night or early in the morning, and we decided just do it, get it over with, so now we can enjoy our last 2 days in Florida before our cruise on the Carnival Pride. So again, it's just an easy test, and if you guys cannot do it before you guys get to your cruise port, please buy these. These actually work, and they're super easy and simple. Yeah,
not bad. You get a discount if you buy a larger bulk. But our next cruise in January, we're flying out the day before, so we didn't really need to buy more, but we definitely recommend getting an extra one. Like for a couple, definitely get that extra one just in case. Not a bad idea.
Don't get too many, because they do expire on certain dates, and then if you buy a big pack of 6 and you're not going to use them for a year, then you're going to be stuck with those and you cannot use those to have expiration dates. So be careful with that too.
So without further ado, did we pass or not? Yay, we passed. We got a single line.
We did.
We're ready to rock.
Yep, we're ready to go on the Carnival Pride for Thanksgiving cruise. We're so excited. no cooking, no cleaning. So stay tuned. We're gonna have lots of vlogs on those. Anything else, Paul, you have to say?
That's it. Stay tuned. Hit that bell notification. And if you like High Seas videos, food reviews, and hotel reviews, we're staying at a great DoubleTree at Rocky Point on Tampa on the Bay. We're going to go to Whiskey Joe's. And we think this is a great place to stay if you're cruising out of Tampa. So check it out, guys.
Stay tuned with all our videos, and we're going to do lots of lives. So
Thank you.
thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.